If you ever feel like, man, I'm sick and I just can't get better, it's not always the whooping cough, but the whooping cough will go for over three
Yeah.
months.
But if you have a toddler with whooping cough, feels like a 1,000-day cough.
Oh, well,
It's
and you're afraid they're gonna
yeah,
decompensate. I mean,
yeah.
because
It sounds like they are.
it sounds like they can't breathe. In some ways, they can't breathe. One of the hallmarks of whooping cough is cough, cough, vomit. So when you
Oh.
see that pattern, especially more than once, kids can vomit for any reason, but
Mm.
cough, cough, vomit, it's been coughing for a month. This poor baby, I mean, I'd be very suspicious. And
Yeah.
it's around. So this winter, we're going to definitely have a lot of those cases.
Yeah.